Welcome to Tokyo Narita International Airport. The local time is 7 o'clock in the morning and the temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as items inside may fall out. Please ensure that you have all your belongings with you and watch out for the steps when leaving the aircraft. If you need any assistance, please contact our ground staff. On behalf of the entire crew, we would like to thank all of you and our First Swiss Club members for choosing Hong Kong Airlines. We hope to see you again soon. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
各位乘客，歡迎嚟臨日本東京成田國際機場。而家係當地時間早上7:01，氣温係攝氏7度。為咗大家嘅安全，請繼續留喺座位，直到安全帶燈號熄滅。請小心打開上方行李櫃，以免物件跌下。離開機艙嘅時候，請記得帶齊所有隨身行李物品。如果需要任何嘅協助，請聯絡地勤人員。我哋再次感謝各位以及金牌俱樂部會員乘搭香港航空，希望好快會再有機會為各位服務。我哋下次旅途再見，多謝。